Hello guys, welcome back to Fabric by Singhanias. If you have any cocktail parties or receptions to attend, we have the perfect fabric for you. So let me show you. Now we have this unique fabric for you, which is a raw silk fabric. Usually people don't go for receptions in that fabric, but this would be the perfect menswear kurta, because just look at this beautiful cream color fabric that you can see, and all of this light sequin work that has been done with beautiful floral work across it. The borders also are very beautiful, and this can be created into a really nice and fancy menswear kurta or any women's wear outfits that you want to create for a day out reception look in a wedding. Now here you can see this beautiful net fabric. This would be perfect for any long dress, frocks or any kind of lehengas you want to create. Now look at the net fabric with amazing bead work and sequin work. All the floral work, you can see this nice layering of the fabric that has been done as a detailing, and these beautiful blue color beads and these white silver beads, which gives a nice contrast to the whole purple color net fabric. This could be perfect to create a lehenga or a dress as well. If you want to go for a simple yet elegant look, this tissue fabric would be just perfect. All of this embroidery that you see is hand embroidered in a nice zigzag pattern, and across it you can see this nice crystals and beadwork that has been done in a beautiful beige color. This looks very pretty, and this would look amazing in the light too because of this nice shine that you can see on it. Now to create a nice gown or a long dress for a cocktail party, this kind of fabric would really stand out. Now another grand look fabric would be this beautiful net sequin fabric. Now the purple color that you see is very bright and very vibrant. The color itself is gorgeous, and the sequin work, bead work with large sequins, small sequins makes it look very elegant yet fancy. To create any kind of co-ord sets with this, or if you want to create a nice skirt or a top, this kind of fabric would really stand out and make you look beautiful and fancy. Now this color is very beautiful and it would look perfect on anybody. This is a beautiful red blood fabric. This is a very beautiful blood red color fabric in a nice net fabric. Now the beadwork and the sequin work that is all over it makes it look very beautiful and fancy. To create any kind of gowns or any kind of bodycon dresses, this fabric would look just perfect and amazing for a cocktail night. You can see the glitter on it. It's very beautiful. It's very similar to the purple color net fabric that you saw. This would be just amazing for any kind of nighttime look. Now this next fabric is a beautiful lilac color. It has amazing sequin work and bead work which is done all over it in a nice abstract design. This would be perfect to create any kind of lehengas, dresses that you have in mind. As you can see how glittery and beautiful this fabric is. It really shines due to the sequin work that is done over it, and the lilac shade makes it look very elegant. If you want to create any kind of beautiful gowns or any long dresses for cocktail nights, this would be the perfect fabric for it. Now this next color is a beautiful metallic tissue color. This is perfect to create any kind of kurta sets or suit sets if you have in mind. All of this is beautifully hand embroidered by our craftsmen in nice pearls and sequins that you see with beautiful beadwork. This is very elegant, very beautiful. It would be a perfect outfit for any kind of simple yet minimal cocktail nights or sangeet parties that you have to attend. Now this is a beautiful falling Bangalore silk which is just perfect to create any kurtas, or if you have in mind any kind of suit sets. This would be perfect in a reception. It has beautiful embroidery work and thread work that is done all over the fabric with nice sequin work that you can see. It's in a nice lilac color and the embroidery is done in a lighter shade of it. It's perfect because of how beautifully the light is shining on the sequins. It makes it look really elegant. Whatever you want to create with this kind of fabric would look just amazing on you.